The Pocket 3 is one of my favorite cameras of 2023, and I suspect it probably will be for 2024. Now, it's not without its problems, and most notably, the problem with the flip-up screen that is affecting some users. Now, if you take a look at this video right here, it illustrates the issue that DJI is facing with the Pocket 3. On some, it seems as though the screen malfunctions and no longer flips all the way up. Now, there's nothing from DJI that discloses this issues in terms of what's going on mechanically, and I certainly don't want to take my camera apart just to figure that out. Now, I've always had a theory that the issue is actually caused by the case that ships with the camera. Putting the camera in the case isn't as bad, although I do suggest putting the gimbal in first and then gently pressing the rest of the body into the case as you see here. The issue really revolves around taking the camera out of the case. You see, I feel that if you don't pull apart the sides here, it's actually going to drag on the side of the LCD, thus kind of putting pressure pulling away from the camera itself. So as I mentioned, my solution's always been to pull apart the case and then pull the camera out. I'm also very, very gentle when I rotate the LCD screen. I don't flip it up, and as satisfying as that is, and especially the sound, I'm very gentle and I kind of guide it up. Knowing that this is a problem, knowing that we haven't seen much of anything from DJI other than recognizing it's a problem and telling folks to send it back and they will fix it for free. However, I'm someone that gets a bit paranoid about this, so I went online and I actually found a pretty neat solution, and that solution is a product by Sunnyvale. I'm not sponsored and Sunnyvale didn't send me this product. I purchased it with my own money. I will say that while this is a unique design and it just clamps around the DJI's gimbal and screen, it does feel a little bit cheap and made out of a subpar plastic, but overall I think it will do the job. I would definitely like it made a little bit more rugged with a better quality of plastic, but overall I think this is a good solution in order to prevent the issue with the screen. Now, I could be wrong, but I do feel if the case is dragging on that LCD screen, it's pulling apart from that camera, and I just think that's why we're seeing this issue. And this product will solve that issue, as well as keeping the gimbal and the LCD protected without applying undue force. And I happened to catch it on sale for $11.99. So for me, that's a great price just to make sure it doesn't happen to me. And yes, DJI says they will fix it for free, but you'll still have to send it back to them, and that takes some time. Overall, I think this is a good solution and a good product. And if you're interested, check out the link below. It's not an affiliate link. I think it's a small price to pay for protecting your DJI Pocket 3. Anyways, I'm Hill Phantom. Appreciate the watch. If you would like it, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.